just like to cleanse your energies and welcome you back into a new atmosphere. So I don't know what kind of day you've been having or what you have been going through. So I hope right now that we are cleansing all the energies around you so that you are able to receive everything that I'm going to be teaching or rather saying to you, and that it makes sense to you and you gain or rather get something from it. So we're just going to take a few moments to just close your eyes so that we can cleanse the energy. I wish you could see I like golden as well. Thokozani, I am Paul Wabadimu, the advocate of Ihlozi, Ugogo Unkomiahlaba, Inkosazane Unubuhle, and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. And thank you so much for choosing to view this video. If you still haven't subscribed to the channel, I suggest you do so by clicking on the subscription button, and don't forget to head on down to the notification button so that you are notified every time there's new content on the channel. Well, on today's topic, we are talking about utwasa noma utwaseleni. So, as per usual, do get yourself something to drink and be comfortable, because in the next couple of minutes, we're going to be tackling some important things that every Lozi child probably does go through every now and then. Now that we got that out of the way, welcome back. So today we are talking about a very important topic, which is utwaseleni. People ask, utwasiseni, utwaseleni, utwaselebani, and everything else around that. But today, uzongitshela ukuthi utwaseleni. Angitshela utwaseleni. So as every Lozi child, we all have a story as into how we ended up singing emapehlweni, how we ended up becoming izangoma, how we ended up becoming umntwana wedlozi. And we all have different stories to tell. But I have asked most people that I meet that come to me and come to me and complain, Gogo, it is hard. Gogo, I can't do this. I ask them first things first. Utwaseleni, Gogo. No, let's be frank. Utwaseleni. Some people go into their gifts or into their journeys or into their callings because abanye they were blackmailed into uktwasa, right? Abanye they believe that through uktwasa impilo yabo izoba right. Abanye went through the whole initiation phase because they believe that when they do that, izinto zabo zizokhanya noma impilo yabo izoba ngcono, bazothandwa abantu, izinto zabo zizovuleka, amabhizinisi azovuleka. Mhlambe ekhaya there was someone sick, and you were also told that that person uzophila through you becoming a sangoma. And to the uneducated mind of a gifted child, that is to a certain extent a blackmail we never anticipate. And we end up going through the calling singayamkelanga noma singayinternalizanga thina abanikazi besipho. We end up going through these journeys confused, conflicted, frustrated, angry. We just go through it because we are now reliant on Ugobela, and we are reliant on Amadlozi to be like, everything should be fine. In this day and age we are in 2024, if uzovuma ubizo noma you have a calling, you need to know that you are accepting your calling. Accepting your calling is a very deep statement on its own. You are accepting what you came here to fulfill. Ubizo lwakho. You are not doing it to save everyone else, because trust me, if you were doing it to save everyone around you, couldn't you take your friend ayotwasa nawe? Couldn't you take your bestie, your boyfriend, and everything else? You could have done that. But at the end of the day, umuhambo yotwasa, it is something that esuke ibhekane nawe. You go through the trauma, you go through the abuse, you go through the changes alone. You end up feeling like you've been thrown at the deep end by amadlozi wakho. Because to be quite honest, ukuvuma ubizo is not the most nicest of things, because I know some people even go there sebesangana abanye sebegula, so once you understand that you are fulfilling a purpose and you are letting go of, because think about this, I want you to conceptualize this. Mhlampe you are living your whole life. Uyazalwa as as a Lerato, and they say, okay, Lerato, they give you a name, you are Lerato, and you now have to walk through your whole life, and mhlampe by 16, 17, you're showing signs of, hey, I'm gifted, I'm different. And your family's like, oh no, hold it down. And your losses are like, but you understand? And then we give it a break. And then we are prolonging you being confused. And you end up being this angry person. And by the time you want to start a life, 23, 24, you go everywhere. You just need to accept your calling, because your calling will make you become imbalanced to the life you are living. Because remember, you came here on assignment. Uguti, I'm going to come as a Lerato, but Mina, in all reality, I am Dabula Manzi and I am different. I am a superhero. I'm here to spread my powers throughout the world and save who I can save, bring people to the light. And you will try every avenue, but nothing is going to make sense for you until you start and accept your calling. So if you got your calling by 30, 34, and you must know that everything before that you were living was just imposter syndrome. It was fake. But imagine if your family started raising you with that gifted mentality that we are raising a gifted child. Ulira does not like anybody. They would have made your life easier because you would have been connected to your higher self. Yes, you might have not yet gone through the initiation, but indlela oqhuba ngayo impilo would have allowed you to connect to the spirit, because you're a superhero. You're not like everyone else. So now you go through your calling and you are angry and frustrated. But by the time you get through your calling and you are done with it, you come back to this world you lived in, but now you come back as your true self. You are landing back on earth, but as now your true self. You have nothing, you have nobody. But the problem we do, Tina, as gifted kids, because I'm landing back into the similar environment, I'm going to try and blend in, try to reconnect to my old life. And my old life was imposter syndrome. It was not the true me. It was not who I am. But you are now this high vibrating Han, this high vibrating Kulu, and you still want to be that Tebo that you were before you lived. You are no longer Tebo. There's a reason why unegama obizwa ngalo that we identify you with in the spirit. It is your truth. I am Gomiyahlaba. There's a reason why I'm Gomiyahlaba. There's a reason why I'm Gosazana. There's a reason why. Yes, earthly, I'm Dimpo, I'm Michelle, that is fine. But they're addressing a very different you are lost, but you've become your true self. So we try and reconnect with who we are, and we get lost in that reconnection, but to only find out that we are now in a new world. I'm living now as a Dabula Manzi. I'm living now as Nkomi Yahlaba, and I have to readjust to this new life. But this new life of mine just doesn't come with all the perks that Lerato had. Lerato was doing everything and anything and got away with it. So you need to become connected. I'm so sorry. I keep on being disturbed. There's a lot of things happening around in the background. So that is why funny. I wanted to make this a one-take video so that I don't have to spend hours editing. But it is what it is. Okay, you keep it moving. So you end up becoming this person that you're not, and it ends up conflicting with who you are. But you now need to understand that you're no longer that person. That is why you must get uktasa. In most cases, you burn most of the things you owned, because you are no longer that person. And the covenant that you make with thyself, or rather in the spiritual realm, we go through that process through intrasum. So it varies with initiation process to initiation process. But coming back to what it is today, uthwaseleni. If uthwasele for the reasons above, if you thought mhlampe ngithwasela ukuthi impilo yami izoba right, I do not want to lie to you. That is the biggest scam and the biggest lie you'll ever hear. Once you have answered your calling, you are now living your purpose. And it means that you are living for yourself 20% and 80% for everything that revolves around the healer that you are. Yes, that's the truth. It's painful. This gift you carry, oh, I'm gifted, gifted. It has got nothing to do with you, babe. You are just a vessel. You use this body. You are just a vessel that is being used to do the good work of the Maglosies. But other than that, Shem, you will go through it. Because I don't want to lie to you. As a grown adult, trying to balance your life, trying to fit in, trying to blend in, trying to be this person that you are, it leads you to things like depression because you are used to this life that you were, but you realize that yo yazingi sangoma, and me being a sangoma means I can't laugh like I used to laugh, I can't twerk like I used to twerk, and all those things nendlela osukungene ngayo entwaseni yakho noma endleleni yakho, it becomes traumatic. I don't want to lie to you. People spend their whole spiritual callings, or rather journeys, going through some mental state of some sort. I am not gonna exempt myself from that. It took me a while. I say this again, it took me a while because I was one of those people. It was not for me. I was like, I'm doing it for my family because we are struggling and the Maglosies. But those are the wrong reasons. That's why it took me longer to accept my gift. But once you go there with an open mind to knowing that this is your truth, this is who you are, you start walking differently, you start living differently, you start talking differently, you start relating to things differently. You don't see them with the physical, but you see them with the spiritual. Izinto ezifana nokusebenza ngokwedlozi do not feel like a 9 to 5 to you. Ukuhamba uyokhuleka doesn't feel like a schedule you have to. It comes organically. It is a big sacrifice. What you are, you didn't choose yourself. Yes, you chose to take the baton. You made a promise there in the spirit. You're a brave soul. Because you made that promise. You say, I'm not going there to just be nobody. I'm going there to be somebody. I'm going there to be superhero. And you wear a cape. And gizozama ukufeza lana amadlozi amehluleke khona. That is deep. That is deep. Because ingqondo le osuke unayo umusuka ngale in the spirit to come here. To catch up to that, it is going to take you forever. That is why kuba ngathi siyahlanya. That's why sibizwa ngokuthi siuhlanya. We are not normal people. We are living in the physical, but our mind are in the spiritual. We see things that people don't see. Like even last time I was reiterating, to my brother about this whole journey about to somebody it feels like but to somebody that is here, they get to understand and hear you and be like, I hear you. So I'm here not to throw a pity party for you. Wear your big girl thongs. Wear your big guy trunks, whatever you wear, undies. And deal. This is who you are. This is what you're going to be for the rest of your life. There is no quitting. Yeah, you might quit, but how can you run away from something that you are? You just need to look at yourself differently. Look at your gift. What do you have to offer? And what are you doing wrong? We always place the blame on Abogobela, but Abogobela are there to facilitate a process. And after that, honey, you on your own. Do you think I should be with my grade 1 teacher until I matriculate and go to varsity? Hell no. But that's how we've made Abogobela to be. You were literally in grade 1, you're taking them to grade 2, grade 3, grade 4. Literally, I'm on a different space right now. And that dialogue does not involve my Gobela. I need to learn to be spiritually independent and inclined. And it takes a different level of spiritual growth for you to get there. Uthwaseleni. Uthwasele ukuthi uzoba nemali. No, mntanethu, don't lie. You need to build from scratch. Then umusufikile ke le ngenina ke ngoba nisile niyathanda ukuthola ama incentives senilanda inyoka senilanda in that is you. That is a you thing. But Your life, you started from scratch. From the day you come home, or the day you are given a name, and they tell you that you are chocolate pie, you must know that uzolibhadalela lika chocolate, because akasekho loya muntu loyana. You're going back as chocolate pie, and you need to start over. Uqala over. You understand? You are starting from nothing. You had a car, you're gonna lose all of those things. You lose a man, you lose a girlfriend, you mshado yaphela because so isangoma. You lose friends. That is why Masbuya, it's like we've been thrown in the depths of the desert. We start over. But it is in your solitude that you embrace and you start to grow and you start to evolve. Why ufuna ukufana nabanye abantwana ubone ukuthi wena awufani nabo? Why? Why is just amadlozi akho? Why unje? So I'm here to tell you that sit down with yourself today. Uthwaseleni. Did you see that it's a trend? Mhlampe you are told to do so? Because kunabantu abathwasayo that don't have gift. Because I always say me, I don't mind singathwasa C59. But the truth is, after iphehlo, lithini idlozi gogayo, lithini idlozi mkheleyo. What does it say? Because if you get home, kuyathula, but it can't be quite forever. You need to do something. You cannot be uzosibhula ngokuthi wena ugobela ukutshela ukuthi ithambo malibheke lena wena umuntu uyasha. What if angisha? I just feel hot. You know, I always say asibeke I don't want you to give me instruments. Let's work with the practicals here of the spirit. Lithini idlozi gogo. Then we start there. Then you realize that it's not all that you thought. Uktasa was just the foundation. It does not mean that you've had it all figile lapho. You wear your big head. You have a long way to go. You have a fucking long way to go. So I'm here. I'm a truth spitter. I have nothing to hide. But all I can tell you is that it's not about to be rosy. But you make it rosy. Even in that concrete, you plant roses. That's how I've maneuvered through my spirituality. It is not rosy, but I plant the roses and I make it look rosy. And I make it rosy for myself. Even on days where I'm like, I don't want to work. I have to be up at 4. Literally, I'm not even going to sleep. I have to be up at 4. I'm taking people to caves. You understand, Guti? It's not rosy. We're forced to make it look rosy, but it's not rosy. So, it's not me. Womina gizenza genzi waba pansi hongele betongala. You hear what I'm going? So, we're gonna have this conversation again. Mhlampe mawusuzitholile, but mhlampe you are stuck and you are frustrated ukuthi angazi ngiyaphi. Gogo, uthwaseleni. If all of these reasons of yours have got nothing to do with you answering your calling, then you did it for the wrong reason. Let's go back to the beginning. Accept. You'll stop feeling angry. Ukuthi before ngithwasa mina ngangihappy, before ngithwasa mina ngangiglowa, before ngithwasa, yes, we sangoma. Yes, your life is going to be shitty. Yes, you're not going to be in relationship, it's going to be hard, but you understand? Yes, your gift will not work for you. You know what I mean? It's not for you. Yes, sweet sangoma, you just want to be alone. Leave me alone. Leave me the fuck alone. You know? Yes, ngizofosta ngitry ukuthi ngifana nezinye ingane kodwa asoza wamamadlozi for me. What I'm trying to say to you is that the sooner you accept who you are, what you are, the better things become. The sooner you wake up and smell the coffee and realize that you're a superhero, wearing long nails, nice weave, eyelashes, you are undercover agent, if you know what I mean. Your life becomes easier. That divorce had to happen, hun. Yes, that it had to happen. You were there to come together, and now the purpose has been served. You know, that job you lost, oh, I'm so sorry. Have you seen kings work? No, kings don't work. Superhero, working, going to work, hiding their cape. No, you wear your cape. Dlozis provide. Into engiyaziyo ukuthi idlozi anyeke likulambise. Unedlozi ngempela. You'll never starve nedlozi. oh my gosh, I can't deal with corporate. What the fuck are you doing there? Get out. Get out. We are meant to be our own bosses. That's why we choose business. That's why we choose all of these things. Let me not stress you. Let me not bore you. But let me be truthful to you. It is what you make of it. It's not nice every day, but you know what I mean. And just like every job you get, you put in your CV. It's not like your dlozis hate you, they came after you, they gave you this by force. You put in your CV, you said you can work under pressure. And your job comes with descriptions that you need to fulfill. The problem is that we don't want to follow the job descriptions. We want to, just like your dlozis hate you, they love you, but pick your struggle. It's about to get real, it's about to get nice. But for me, I'm leaving you with this. Zithande sipho sakho. Because without your gift, you'd be lost, still lost. So that's your compass. That's how you navigate through life. But you're going to be fine. It's not easy every day, but you're going to be fine. Wake up, phahla, ubangeni ube muhle. On top of that, ube muhle. You understand? So I love you. I'll see you on our next video. And we'll talk more. I am Pobadimu, the advocate of Idlozi, and we will meet again right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to leave your comments down below, and don't forget to like this video. I love and appreciate you so much. From me to you, it is nothing but love and light. And if you're watching and still haven't subscribed, I'm just kidding. Bye guys, I will see you and I'll check you out. Don't forget to check me out on social media. Actually, I'm lying, I'm just on Instagram, but check me out on Instagram. And thank you so much for your love, support and appreciation. This channel would be nothing without you, and I'll catch you. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Ni enjoy, drink responsibly, ni beme responsibly, and but most of all, ni khuleke and patle responsibly. I love you guys. Bye.